Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Looking for the best drones in 2025? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned aerial photographer, in this video, we're counting down the top 5 best drones that offer incredible value, performance, and cutting-edge features. But before we get started, check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting at number 5, we have the Ruko F11GIM2. The Ruko F11GIM2 is a feature-packed quadcopter built for creators and adventurers alike. Its stunning 4K 30fps camera with a 2-axis gimbal and EIS delivers silky smooth footage, even in windy conditions. The 5x digital zoom and 80-degree adjustable lens let you capture everything from wide landscapes to close-up action. With 2 intelligent batteries offering a total of 64 minutes of flight time and a 5 km transmission range, this drone is perfect for extended shoots. GPS-powered features like auto return, follow me, and waypoint flight make it beginner-friendly, while its upgraded remote and USB connection ensure reliable video streaming. FAA remote ID compliance and level 6 wind resistance add to its credibility. A few downsides: charging requires the official adapter and no obstacle avoidance. Still, it's a strong mid-range choice. Coming in at number 4 is the DJI Air3S. The DJI Air3S is a powerful travel drone designed for creators who demand cinematic quality and intelligent flight features. Its 1CMOS sensor captures stunning 4K 60fps HDR video with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, perfect for sunrise and sunset footage. It excels in low-light conditions and includes panorama modes for ultra-wide or high-detail shots. With 45 minutes of max flight time and 20 km transmission range, you get extended creative flexibility. Safety is enhanced with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, even at night. Thanks to forward-facing LiDAR, the smart return-to-home system navigates weak GPS zones with ease. While it includes the essentials, RCN3 controller, battery, and props, the charger is sold separately, requiring a DJI 65W unit. Overall, the Air3S is ideal for filmmakers and adventurers, though you'll need to budget for the charger. At number 3, we have the Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone. The Holy Stone HS360S GPS drone is a lightweight powerhouse, weighing under 250 grams, no FAA or remote ID registration needed, making it perfect for on-the-go creators. Its 4K UHD camera with a Galaxy Core sensor and 90-degree adjustable angle captures vivid 3840x2160p photos and videos. With a 10,000-foot range and 20-minute flight time, it offers impressive reach and flexibility. The enhanced remote connects via USB cable, eliminating Wi-Fi lag for real-time streaming. GPS functionality ensures stable flight and automatic return home, while beginner-friendly features like optical flow positioning and intelligent flight modes, spiral up, catapult, one-tap ascension, follow me, and more, make it great for novices and hobbyists alike. Though it lacks obstacle avoidance, ongoing app upgrades enhance performance. The HS360S is an excellent balance of portability, functionality, and ease of use for adult drone enthusiasts. Taking the number 2 spot is the Potensic Atom SE GPS drone. The Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is a lightweight, foldable drone under 249 g, no FAA or remote ID registration needed. Perfect for travel, it offers level 5 wind resistance and brushless motors for stable flight. And the 4K EIS camera with a Sony sensor captures 12-megapixel photos and ultra-smooth 4K 30fps videos using Shake Vanish technology and a 118-degree FOV. With 62 minutes of flight time from 2 batteries and a 4 km transmission range powered by PixSync 2.0, you get extended, high-quality flying. Surge Fly Control offers beginner, video, normal, and sport modes, reaching up to 16 ms in sport. GPS-assisted features include auto return, follow me, waypoint, and circle flight. Compatible with iOS, Android, and offering multiple adapter cables, it's easy to control. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, its firmware updates ensure long-term value. Ideal for beginners and travelers wanting smooth 4K footage. And finally, our number one pick is the DJI Mini2SE. The DJI Mini2SE is an ultra-lightweight drone under 249 g, requiring no FAA or remote ID registration for recreational use. Perfect for travelers and content creators, it offers up to 31 minutes of flight time per battery, with the Fly More combo extending that to 93 minutes. Despite its compact size, it boasts a powerful 10 km transmission range via DJI's OcuSync, outperforming standard Wi-Fi. It handles level 5 winds up to 30 kph and features a return-to-home function for added safety. Beginners will love the easy-to-use DJI Fly app, which includes smart templates for auto-flying and filming. However, Android users must download the app directly from DJI's website, not Google Play. Overall, the Mini2SE is ideal for those seeking portability, ease of use, and reliable aerial performance without needing registration hassles. And there you have it, the top 5 best drones. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.